Hi unique family, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start your cupcake business and the recipe that will last you for months. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So let's get into the main video. I'll be measuring out 250 grams of butter. You can buy the one they have measured already if you don't have a scale. So I'm going to be mixing my butter and sugar together till it's whitish in color. That is my 1 cup of sugar. Here I've already added my half teaspoon of flavor. Sorry, I didn't know I was not recording. Then I'll add in my egg one after the other. So I'll be mixing my dry ingredients together, which is the baking powder and the sorbic acid. That sorbic acid is what will make your cake to last long. So I've started adding in my dry ingredients. I'll be adding it in a batch. Please, when you start adding in the flour, don't overmix. Put your mixer on the low and continue mixing. When everything have combined, you can drop your mixer and use your spatula to combine everything very well. Here is my cupcake paper. This is 12 cm and this is 11 cm, but I'll be using the 11 cm for this recipe, and I got 24 cupcake from the recipe. So I will use this 1/4 cup to measure it into each of the cupcakes paper. already preheated my oven. I'll be baking this for 15 to 20 minutes. And guys, when you are baking your cake, allow your cake to done very well, because if the cake did not done well, it tends to spoil easily. Not to burn it, but allow it to done. Here my cake is out of the oven. You can see how it comes out. Very well baked. So you have to put it on the counter to cool down before packaging it. And here are all my cakes. This is the leather I'll be using to package this. It's 100 in a pack and it's sold for 500 if you are buying per one, but buying in bundle is at the rate of 400 per pack. So I'll be packaging this for 200. All the ingredients I use for this cake is at the 2002. Everything, both the packaging, both the cupcake paper, I calculated everything. I did the costing, and this cake sold for 200 would come out at 48. That is the amount I count it out for supermarkets, and they sold for 250. But if you are icing this or putting any cream of your choice, whipped cream, buttercream, anyone, is going to be more expensive than this, because you have to buy carton that you arrange them, the icing and everything. So you put your cost together and know how to price it. You can see the cake. Very fluffy and dense. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Kindly share this video. To our old subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. See you all in my next one, and remain blessed. Bye.